Hello everybody, I'm here with my ultrasonic cleaner I was going to do a video on. I got busy yesterday, didn't get to it, had some customers come in, brought some stuff. But I'm going to do a video on it here today and get it up for you. I'm going to do this carburetor here. It's pretty dirty on top, I don't know if you can see that. And I'll take the bowl off the bottom of it so you can see it. I'll turn the camera down so it's facing it. Get me some glasses on. This is a 10 millimeter on the bottom of it. In the bottom area, it's got some buildup. Looks like where the gas has been in it too long and it kind of gelled up. And when I do these, I always take the float and needle out of it. You just pull that pin there. That comes out. And you got your little needle valve. I also, before I do them, I take these welding tip cleaners, and you can get these anywhere. You get them off eBay, Amazon. Most like farm stores have them, like Rural King and them places. I always take and run them through all the little openings on them, and this one is really plugged up. So I'll probably have to run this one through it, and I'll take it back out and clean it. I may have to take that out of there and run a little drill bit through it to actually open it up. But the main reason I'm doing this, I wanted to show you the ultrasonic cleaner I got here and how good they work. When they're really dirty, I also take and blow them off when I can with some air. A lot of people say you can do these just spraying carb cleaner on them, which yes, you can, but it doesn't clean them near as good as the ultrasonic cleaner does. The ultrasonic cleaners gets inside there where you can't get a lot of it. So I've done them with regular carb cleaner. Yes, it works, but I prefer putting them in the ultrasonic cleaner, let it run while I'm doing something else. And it's pretty much gives you some free time there that you can do other things. We'll go ahead and stick this in it. I got it heated up. It's about 120 degrees. I don't have the jug that shows what chemical I actually have in it. I may do a video later on that. I'm thinking about changing what I'm using in it with some other stuff. I'll move the camera over there so you can kind of see. Has the basket in it there. parts in. And if you're doing real small parts, there's like a T-thing you can get to put like the little needles in and stuff like that. That way you don't lose them in the bottom and have to sit there trying to dig them out. I think this ultrasonic cleaner, I think it's like a 4-liter. I'm not for sure. It's pretty good size. You could do it like a carburetor off a car in it if you needed to. But most of them's fuel injection and throttle bodies anymore. We'll run this for 10 minutes. It's going to get a little noisy and annoying here. Alright everybody, we're down to 25 seconds here. We're almost done with it. And we'll pull it out, see what it looks like. Hopefully it's clean, and hopefully it opened up the one part on it there. The one jet, actually. I do believe I paid about $150 for this here, and they're well worth it. I had a smaller version one that was like half this size, and it just didn't work very good for me. It looks pretty good. It's got most of it. I'll turn the light back on the camera here. There we go. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a lot cleaner than it was. I'll take the air hose and you should be able to blow the rest of this off. Always be careful not to get this in your eyes. I should have safety glasses on, but right there, it's really clean. The bottom, the main part there, it's really clean. The outside of it looks really good. Now we'll see what the bowl of it looks like. That looks a lot better than what it was. All the stuff's going out of the bottom. But I always take air and blow them off anyway. But that's the ultrasonic cleaner. That's the main thing I wanted to show you. I'll put this here back together after I clean it a little more and make sure the jets are opened up on it. And I got a mower to put it on. I might do a video on that, on how to change the carburetor on it. But this is the ultrasonic cleaner. They're really great. I recommend them if you have a shop. And have a good one, everybody. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. And have a great day, everybody. Bye.